All right, about to swap my shocks out. You see my rear ones all ate up in the back from rust. One's just got from the dealer. Pockets I'm using 1 1/8, and then 30 millimeter. Got new bolts. Just basic tools. Got the breaker bar there to lock the bolt in place, and then I'm going to turn the nut. So for the bottom bolt, got an adjustable wrench with a pipe just to reset the nut. The shock just comes right out once it's unbolted. There we go. The bottom of the shock is offset. So this part right here, I guess you'll say the snout, that point towards the inside of the truck. And they're easy to compress. So don't think you need a machine to do it. So I always put the bottom in first and then the top. So bottom bolt is in, and with the top, with one hand, push that down, line the sleeves up with the hole to slide the bolt through. All right, everything's back in, and just torque everything back down. Don't forget the washers. All right, in the old shock, it will compress, but won't come up. Won't even go in all the way. But yeah, it's not coming up, so it's blown. Completely rusted. So there's a comparison. The new one's on the right, of course, old one's on the left.